welcome to another video. My name is Sabir. This video I will show you how to refresh all drives by one click. Okay, and first I have the C drive, E drive and F drive. Open your notepad and type this code. And please see my description box. You will get this script and write your wall drive. This way you can do. And now save as and choose your location and give a name refresh.bat bat and it's bat and save. Okay, now I will run this script, run as administrator. Yes, it is running, and hopefully you will understand this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video.